So let's take a look at how to create a new Kahoot. So you've already created your account and you'll see your username right up here. Okay, and I'll just familiar you with the screen. You've got your create a new Kahoot button. Here's where you'll have all of the Kahoots you've created. Here's the public Kahoots that I was talking about where you can literally go there and search based on a topic. And then here's some information and support. Okay, so here you've got a quiz, you've got the discussion and the survey. Over here is where you've got how many Kahoots, questions, how many times you've played, how many players, and you can look at recent results. So in case I had to close out real quick, I can go back and download a printout of all the answers, and we'll talk about that later. So for this, we're going to just start with a quiz. So I'm going to click the quiz button, and it will bring us to the title page. So here you will create a title for your Kahoot. You have to have a description, whether it's one word or you can use hashtags if you want to make it easier for people to search your Kahoots. So we'll just discuss. Here you can choose privacy. Do you want it to be only me or everyone? Obviously the language, and then you have to pick what kind of audience. So obviously we're going to hit school. Alright, if I wanted to, I could have a cover image, and I could also include a YouTube video which would play while the students are joining. And I'm going to click OK, go. Alright, so here I click add a question. So we'll start with 3 plus 6. I'm going to go with 30 seconds. Again, you have between 5 and 120 seconds. And you'll come up with, you have to have at least 2 answers, but you can have up to 4. So we'll do 9, 3, 18, oops, 18, -3. These check marks are where you select the correct answer. So here, I'm going to click that, so this means that answer 1 is correct. If you want to have 2 correct answers, you would just select the arrows. The check marks, sorry, not arrows. So I'll deselect that. You can add an image, you can add a video, or you can just leave it blank and it'll have just a basic Kahoot image. Okay, so there's question 1. Here's where you can edit it, or you can delete it. And then you can continue to add questions. You can have as many questions as you would like. So we'll do 4 times 5. Want to make sure I try and mix up my numbers here, and I'm going to give them 20 seconds for this. Okay? So you continue going through as long as you want. Let's say you want to add a question with an image. Let's create a question based on an image. So I'm going to click add question, and I'm going to add an image. So I'll find my image, I'll upload it, and here I will see it. Now I can create my answers. So you can kind of mix it up if you want to add, you know, a paragraph. And here I'll make my time a little longer. You can really, you know, if you want to have a picture of a person and ask who it is, something for science, you have a lot of freedom. And you don't have to put anything in the question part. Well, see picture. Or you can ask your, let's see, what is the and I'll click that, then I'll hit next. So you'll see here's your list of questions.